Alright, so what's up YouTube? So I'm about to attempt to repair this. As you see, I already got this side here repaired, this middle piece. Stay tuned. Alright, so what's up? So I got my template made for it. I'm just gonna pull this off and put it on the old deck lid so I can cut it out on the old deck lid and then place the metal in. Alright, so I got my tape laid down on the old deck lid. I got it traced out, also in a Sharpie, just in case anything was to happen to the tape while I was cutting it. I have a backup plan, to have a backup line to follow. Alright YouTube, so this piece is cut out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean up in here a little bit, knock some of that rust down, then I'm gonna spray it inside the frame to stop some of the rust, prevent it from rusting even further. Alright YouTube, I got this one installed. I got finished tacking it up in spot, in place, tack in place, and then I will do the other side. The other side is not as bad. See, it's just down there is really bad, and some pitting up there, but I think it's really light, so I might not have to fix it. Might just have to epoxy it to kill the rust, and then continue with the body work.